Hi everyone, welcome to Let's Get Employment. Today in this video, we will talk about front-end engineer's job or front-end developer jobs. Let's jump into our first job for today. First is from the company Stealth Technology startup. Role is full stack engineer, contractual basis. Location is remote. Requirements for this role are 3+ years of experience in full stack development, knowledge of both front-end and back-end technologies including but not limited to React.js, Node.js, TypeScript, HTML, CSS, strong knowledge of serverless technologies, experience in integrating third-party APIs, excellent problem-solving and analytical skills, strong communication and collaboration skills, self-motivated and able to work independently. If you are eligible for this, click on this easy apply button, fill the application form and submit it. Second job is from the company KAOS. Role is React developer. Location is remote. Requirements are strong proficiency in JavaScript, HTML, CSS, React.js, minimum 2 years of experience with React.js and JavaScript, experience with Redux or other state management libraries, understanding of REST APIs, strong problem-solving skills, excellent communication and collaboration skills, read the documentation and pick up third-party JS libraries quickly, Git experience. If you are eligible for this, click on the apply button. Then this page will open. This is the application form. Fill this application form, then submit it. Third is from the company Pulse Energy Technologies Private Limited. Role is React Native intern. Location is remote, that is work from home. Qualifications required for this role are at least have 1+ years of React or React Native experience. Nothing is written here as work experience, it's an experience. Must be comfortable with TypeScript. Plus points to engineering students who coded out fully functional apps while in college. Pay details and employment contract. Monthly stipend is 30,000 per month. 1 month probation period. We need a minimum commitment of 6 months of work with us as if you decide to join. If you are eligible for this, click on the easy apply button, fill the application form and submit it. Fourth job is from the company Tidal 7 Asia. Role is web developer. Location is Mumbai, Maharashtra. Required qualifications are bachelor's degree or equivalent experience in computer science, at least 2 to 4 years of experience using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, proficiency in at least one server-side technology, ability to multitask, organize and prioritize work. If you are eligible for this, click on the easy apply button, fill the application form and submit it. You can find the link in the description and apply for all the jobs. All the best, and if video helpful लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर इट विद योर फ्रेंड्स एंड फॉर मोर लेटेस्ट जॉब अपडेट्स चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. Thanks for watching this video.